It's Damien from Marketing Food Online, and in this video, I'm getting into a subscriber's question about starting a spice business. So if you are looking to start a spice business, you might want to stay tuned for this video because it has a great question from you, our subscribers, and we're going to get to it right now. All right, so welcome back. It is Damien from Marketing Food Online, and I've got a great video for you if you are looking to start a spice business or sell your spices online. This is going to be a video from a subscriber question that you may want to pay attention to all the way through. And if this is your first video as well to Marketing Food Online, welcome. My name is Damien Roberti. I am the founder of Marketing Food Online. I am a food business entrepreneur and operate 6 e-commerce food businesses with my wife. And we've been doing it now for over a decade. So I bring you guys a ton of videos on how to start successful and profitable small food businesses. If you want to get that food truck up and running, we've got a lot of videos for that. If you want to start from home, we also have a ton of cottage food business videos as well. So let's dive into this question, and I'm going to pull it up here on the screen. So let's take a look. All right, so this question is from Camp It Forward. Thank you very much, Camp It Forward. That's a unique name as well. If you purchase pre-made seasonings in bulk from a company, can you legally repackage them and sell them under a different name? So as an example, the company sells the bulk as, quote, American Rib Rub. Can I repackage from bulk into 8-ounce size bags and then resell it under a name, Kentucky's Best Rib Rub, and resell it? All right, so this is a fantastic question, and the reason why I say this is that not only in the spice business world, but if you're creating a food product and you're bringing together a multitude of ingredients and you want to repackage them, or you have to take those ingredients and produce a finalized product, so let's say even a cookie, yes, you could definitely do that. Now, do you put that on the ingredient listing? No. You need to put the ingredients that are in the product, not the actual name of the product or the brand name. So for instance, if I was using Hershey's chocolate chips to create a chocolate chip cookie, and then I sell it under my company's name, I don't put the actual Hershey's name on the ingredients. I put the chocolate chip and everything that's in that. So if you're taking a product and buying it in larger quantities and you're breaking that down into smaller packages and putting your name on it, just make sure that the ingredient listing has everything on it. There are tons of companies that actually do this, believe it or not, and even fast food chains do this as well. Many fast food chains will buy supplies from a food supplier in bulk, and then it comes into those restaurants, and they produce a product and they sell it as their own. Now, if you take a seasoned spice blend, and this is something that a lot of people don't realize, that a recipe or a signature sauce or a signature flavoring or ingredient or spice blend, if you manipulate that by only 1 small ounce of salt, sugar, or any other ingredient, you actually change that product. So if you were to add something to it, it would literally become completely yours because the recipe has been altered to create a finalized product. But with that being said, can you buy a product in bulk and break it down? Most certainly you can. For instance, ice cream toppings. If you bought a bunch of sprinkles or bought a bunch of toppings for ice cream and you had a 20 or 50 pound bag and you put them in smaller bags and put your name on it, yes, you can do that. But with that being said, you want to make sure you have some of the legal things covered for your own business. Make sure that you're legally incorporated, have business licenses. Wherever it is that you're operating, make sure that you follow the state, city, and county laws. That is something that's truly important and very important to make sure you're not doing it from your closet of your house and selling a food product online, which is completely illegal. Technically, you can't do that, but make sure that you have all of the ingredients for the spice blend on your label, following the FDA guidance that they give you. Make sure that it's packaged and showing the net weight. Make sure you have the name of the product. Make sure that you've got, if you're going into retail, you've got a barcode. If you have to have any nutritional analysis done, make sure you have that. So yes, there are a few legal aspects that you really need to follow, but if you're buying something in bulk and breaking it down, putting it on a smaller package and reselling it, it is completely legal to do that. Now, the one thing that you can't do is if you take a specific brand name and sell that under your actual name. So if you're taking something that happens to be like Skittles and it has the trademark S on it, or M&M's, obviously M&M's is a brand. You cannot sell them as John's chocolate covered coated candies and have M&Ms on it. That is something that you can't do. But when you take a multitude of ingredients and they're raw ingredients and you break them down or add anything to them, that becomes a unique product. And then from there, yes, you can sell it as long as you follow the guidelines for packaging and, of course, all of the legal things I just spoke about. So I hope that answers your question. I make it quick and easy on this video. I want to make sure you guys understand that if you have any other questions, please let me know down below. And if you guys need any guidance or need help or consulting, do let us know as well. We offer that one-on-one consulting directly with me. We've helped over 300 small businesses get up and running since 2017. So if you're looking to get your food business started and create a profitable food business online or get into retail stores, we have a ton of resources. And check out marketingfoodonline.com. A lot of our subscribers here on YouTube don't know that yet, but we actually have a huge website that's got a ton of other resources available as well. So thank you very much for asking that, and I hope that helps you out. And if it does, please let me know with a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching Marketing Food Online. And if you are looking to create your own food truck, start a home-based food business under the cottage food law, franchise a food operation, start a packaged food business, private label your own food product, sell on Amazon, get your own online store, or sell food online, remember to subscribe and check out these videos